Good morning, chefs. This is just a normal day at the supermarket, right?
Yeah,
Right.
absolutely.
Yeah. The theme for your first stakeout is breakfast to go. Now, in this round, you're shopping blind. That means you can't look into anybody's bags until after you've bought them. Your 45 minutes starts right now.
There we go. Good morning, Mama. How
you doing, ma'am?
doing? Would you like to get some extra cash today? Well,
I'll give you 200. 200. Yeah. 10, 20, 30, 40. Thanks, ma'am. I appreciate you. I'll just take this right off your hand.
We already have chefs coming
This
back.
guy,
Cheese
I see a
balls.
lot of cheese balls.
Oh, yeah.
Is that a
Cheese balls
turkey?
and a turkey.
Okay.
So that's the thing is you don't know why anybody's going to the supermarket.
You know, shopping carts are like the snowflake, right? No two carts are alike.
So we got blankets, hella blankets, bagels, cream cheese, clam chowder, orange juice, towels, and cheese puffs. Man, I just spent $200 on cheese puffs, a frozen turkey, towels, and blankets. I'm going with my gut, and I'm making a fried turkey bagel sandwich. Basically, the only breakfast item I have would be the bagel. This is definitely not gonna be your typical breakfast item, but at least it's gonna be portable.
hey.
Hi.
Can I buy everything that's in your cart? How much you pay for it?
It was like 50 bucks.
I'll give you 100. Here
Sure.
you go. 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. All right, so I got some soup, chicken noodle soup. Oh yes, we got some tomatoes, with some apples, strawberries. Oh yes, some carrots. What we got? Salami, some cheese, some bread. These ingredients obviously scream sandwich time.
Hi, ma'am. I'm in a competition and I'd like to buy your groceries. How much did you spend?
About like 85.
Okay, I'll give you 110. Guacamole, yogurt, beans, tomatoes, more beans. I really cannot use that. Cheese, tortillas, lettuce. Perfect. Turkey. Doing a breakfast tostada. And I have this little Fiesta flats. They look like little boats, which is perfect. Nobody's got anything.
I'm still standing here with nothing.
This is bad.
I just have to grab the next bag that comes out.
Good morning. Can I buy your groceries off you? Bananas, some cherry tomatoes, arugula, that'll help. Cucumbers, potato salad. Woo, we got some cheese. Honey ham, roast beef, artichoke hearts, and the butter. I am hoping to make a ham and cheese crepe.
1 minute left, one! Woo!
Whew, something smells good over there.
4,
Here we go.
3, 2, 1.
Done! Hi, Chef.
Hello. I made a ham and cheese crepe with an arugula salad.
Flavor's good. I could have used a little more seasoning.
If you would have found a way to put the salad inside the crepe, more of a crepe burrito situation, that would have made it a little bit more portable. Hello.
Hi.
Tell us what you made.
A breakfast tostada. It's topped with guacamole and a little bit of a crunchy salad on top. Ooh.
Little drippage.
I would have loved something warm, something soft, because the texture of this tastes a little bit chewy, but the apple on it was a great touch.
Thank
you.
I made a fried turkey bagel sandwich with cheese puff crumble.
This is
Problem is, sandwiches are all about ratio, and I wish there was more turkey on there.
Absolutely.
Tell us what you made, chef.
Well, I made a Creole salami breakfast sandwich. Also made a homemade strawberry remoulade with tomatoes and carrots.
This
Very
is the
good.
cutest little life.
Isn't it cute?
Your ratios are a little off on this. All you guys brought great creativity to this challenge. Unfortunately, one of you will be leaving the parking lot, and that chef is Sonia.
Bummer.
Congratulations, chefs. Are you ready for your next stakeout?
Yes, chef.
Yes, ma'am.
This time, you can only purchase your groceries from one shopper. But I will let you look in the bags before you buy them.
There we go.
The theme for your second stakeout will be something spicy.
Nice. There we go.
And your time starts right now. All right.
Do you mind if we look through your best?
Sure, go for
How much
it.
did you spend?
Oh, about 180 bucks.
I'll give you 200.
Okay.
Vegetables that's already cut up that I could use. Oh, baby, a beef flank steak. Heaven has risen. I'm going to make a pasta Mardi Gras. I'm about to make me some noodles, which consist of fresh vegetables, fried chicken, and noodles.
Do you guys have anything
You would
spicy
have
in your
anything
bag?
spicy
Do you
in
mind
your
if we
bag,
rummage
wouldn't
through your cart? Hot pepper. I'll give you 200 for the cart. I'll give it to you right now. Here's 200 bucks. One, two. Thank you. Salsa, cayenne pepper, Some jalapenos. Oh my God, hot sauce, chunky blue cheese, 2 cans of beans.
I'm gonna make buffalo hot chicken on loaded nachos.
I'm gonna make some chips out of these, fry these up.
Because who doesn't love loaded nachos?
I'm on a cooking competition. I was wondering if I could look through your groceries.
At this point, if I see anything remotely spicy in the bags, I'm taking them.
I'll give you 100 right now.
Okay.
All right. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
We got fettuccine, lasagna, Salisbury steak, grilled chicken sausage gumbo, mango salsa, chili beans, spicy chicken quesadilla. Oh, tortilla chips, pretzels, and then marshmallows.
I think I'm gonna make a tostada, basically a crispy flat tortilla with ingredients on top, almost like an open-faced taco.
I'm just gonna press these down.
You have 15 minutes left, chefs.
Now it's time to start on my pasta Mardi Gras. Gonna go with it. So I throw in some fresh vegetables in hot oil along with my cooked ramen. So Mardi Gras pasta is a spicy dish that we do back in Louisiana. And I'm adding in black pepper, white pepper, and lemon pepper for a little more spice.
5 minutes left, chefs.
Will, you're awfully quiet for once over there.
I'm plating.
What?
I'm plating.
Will is making you so much food.
I got this toast. I'm trying to figure out what to do with it.
Literally, he has 12 garnishes.
I'm gonna go ahead and put that on the top like that.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All right.
We have buffalo chicken nachos. Then on the bottom is avocado cream, and the top drizzle is blue cheese.
No words from Molly, just noises. That's a good sign.
Presentation is lovely.
Flavors are fantastic. There's definitely some spice there. And the
It's got a
cooling
couple starting to hit me right
element
now.
is awesome.
Tell us what you made, chef.
So I made a mini tostada with a little bit of mango salsa and spicy sausage.
Well, I really like this tortilla situation that you have down here. And it's tasty, it's flavorful.
It does have spice, and I mean, I did get a couple stray grains of rice, but somehow you did it again.
Spill the tea, chef, and tell us what you made.
So you guys have a Creole pasta Mardi Gras. We add the fried chicken and different medley of vegetables.
I'm pleasantly surprised, I have to say. It's a party. There's a lot going on here. And the chicken's really good.
Yeah.
It's juicy, it's cooked
juicy?
well, and I do have a soft spot for soft noodles.
Judges?
Logan and Will, unfortunately, one of you will not be going on to the next round. And that person is Will.
In this stakeout, you can buy groceries from as many shoppers as you like. You can rifle through their bags, but you are only allowed to purchase 5 items. The final theme is guilty pleasure.
Nice.
And your time starts right now. All right.
Can I look through your
you?
groceries and buy some off of you?
We just need a few things, and we'll pay you for them.
She has 3 different packs of butter and some whipped cream. Golden.
Somehow, I wind up with bagels again.
Thank you for your help.
Thank you.
All right, I got some frozen cherries, some eggs, bananas, some butter, and some whipped cream.
What's your plan?
I am gonna make funnel cake.
Okay, we have ice cream. We have cream cheese, mini bagels, butter, and then peanut butter.
Chefs, you've each made your guilty pleasure dishes from ingredients you bought from total strangers.
And I made cherry pie funnel cake.
It looks like a mountain of guilt, I would say.
It's a
because
mountain of guilt.
Perfect.
I like that you have the elements of fried and creamy and fruity, and there's that tartness from the cherries, but I think could have used even more sugar.
I made a bagel ice cream sandwich with a peanut butter caramel. I got butter, I got the notorious bagel again, ice cream, peanut butter, and cream cheese.
Really delectable. It's a great sandwich, man.
Thank
Good
you.
job.
The chef that delivered the guiltiest of pleasure is Chef Logan.
It's insane. It's unreal. I learned today that it doesn't matter if you have canned soup, frozen turkey, or bagels. You can make great food from absolutely anything.